Hello everyone, welcome to Biotech Trek. Are you a biotechnology or life science student looking to gain hands-on research experience? If yes, then IISER Bhopal is a great opportunity for you. In this video, I will guide you through the eligibility criteria, application process, documentation, and how to make an ATS-friendly resume to boost your chances. If you need help with government internship, many students have successfully applied through Biotech Trek. So don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe our channel. So let's get started.
IISER Bhopal invites applications from bright and motivated students interested in basic science, engineering science for its summer research internship program. Portal will be open from March 1st till March 21st, 2025. Eligibility criteria. Students who have completed or be currently studying in the second, third, fourth year of BSc B.Tech BSMS B.E, or first year of MSc Tech or an equivalent program at the time of application are encouraged to apply. Candidates are requested to fill in the online internship application form. Providing false information will invite cancellation of application/registration. Students can apply up to 3 projects from the listed projects. You may browse the faculty web pages at Institute's website to get more information about their research work. Kindly do not contact them directly for projects. Project duration: 4 to 8 weeks between May 26th and July 21st. Selection criteria: candidates will be selected based on their academic performance and the write-up they submit. Other details: list of candidates selected for summer internship will be displayed on Institute's website by the 3rd week of April. No financial assistance will be provided. Hostel accommodation will be provided and charges, 1,500 rupees only per month, will be applicable.
Now let's move to application process. Let's go step by step on how to apply for IISER Bhopal internship. Fill out the application form, enter your personal and academic details, attach required documents, upload your resume, SOP, and other documents, submit before the deadline, check the last date, and apply on time. Next step is how to make ATS friendly resume. Many organizations, including IISER, use applicant tracking system to filter resumes. So here's how to make yours stand out. Use simple format. No fancy formats, tables, or graphics used. Include keywords. Look at the internship description and use relevant skills like molecular biology, PCR, data analysis, or cell culture. Highlight your achievements. Keep it on one page. For fresher, a one-page resume is best. SOP. Statement of purpose is a short essay on why you want to join IISER Bhopal. That's it for today's video. If you have any question or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting videos by subscribing to our channel Biotech Trek.